This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In Assam, 13 lakh people are affected due to floods in 24 districts. New areas have been inundated due to breach of river embankments. Several rivers are flowing over the danger level. 70 persons lost their lives due to floods and landslides so far in the state. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal instructed his ministerial colleagues, MPs and MLAs to visit flood-affected areas and to take stock of the rescue and relief works. He also told Deputy Commissioners to deploy the State Disaster Relief Force and National Disaster Relief Force in rescue and relief efforts. 21,000 people are staying at relief camps. A total of 21 Nepalese women left Imphal for their hometown in Nepal from Manipur in a bus along with security personnel and representatives of the Nepalese embassy. They have been handed over to Prakash Adhikari, Councillor of Embassy of Nepal, by the authority of Manipur government after completing due procedures for repatriation back to their homes in Nepal. All were rescued in late 2019 at Imphal Airport and International Border at More and reportedly bound to travel to Gulf countries. State government provided shelter and other support services, including counseling and vocational training to them during their stay at Ujjwala Homes in Manipur. This is the second batch of Nepalese women who have been rescued and repatriated back to Nepal. A border security force personnel posted in Mizoram has tested positive for COVID-19, taking the state's tally to 227. A statement issued by State Information and Public Relations Department said the newly infected person was a cook in the border guarding force who has been quarantined at the BSF camp at Melte in South Mizoram's Lunglei district. He tested positive at Lunglei Civil Hospital. The statement also said that at least 299 samples were tested at Zoram Medical College and Lunglei Civil Hospital on Saturday, of which 298 were negative. No COVID-19 case was reported in Mizoram on Friday night, it said. On Saturday, at least 7 people, including a 3-year-old girl, recovered from coronavirus and were discharged from ZMC and a dedicated COVID health center. 3 of the recovered patients were from Aizawl district and 4 from Mamit district. Of the total 227 COVID-19 cases, 77 are active as 150 people have recovered from the disease. In Nagaland, 23 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total number of COVID-19 cases in Nagaland to 771. In a tweet, Health Minister S.P. Phom informed that out of the 23 new cases, 18 are from Dimapur, 4 from Phek and 1 from Kohima. With this, the number of active cases in the state stands at 458, while 313 have recovered. Nagaland has so far not reported any COVID-19 related death. Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Department has deputed 9 teams comprising 36 personnel to initiate action in tracing people who have come into contact with positive cases for 2 days beginning from today. The East Khasi Hills District Magistrate, in an order issued under Section 144 CRPC, promulgated total curfew in Shillong agglomeration and its adjoining areas 6 a.m. today to 6 a.m. of 15th July to facilitate tracing of people who have come into contact with any positive case in view of the spur in COVID-19. Meanwhile, another 16 COVID-19 cases have been detected, bringing the state's tally to 306. Out of the 16 cases, 12 were BSF personnel and 4 were residents of Garo Hills. The Meghalaya Board of School Education will announce the HSSLC arts results today despite the lockdown. MBO's Controller of Examinations T.R. Lalu said that the lockdown is not going to pose a problem since the results will be declared online and not at examination centers. Normally, schools put up results on the notice boards which generate a lot of excitement and students and parents rush to see the results. However, this time around, the situation is different because of COVID pandemic and students can use the internet mark sheet for admission process. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.